All right, everybody. So we are going to do an example with executing this ReadMe Generator program that we wrote. So first we'll do start the execution by node.index.js. And so it's going to ask you about different questions. And what you see is if, for example, we press enter, it'll ask you please enter a string. And this is true for both if it's empty or if it's just some number as an error catching. And so after that, let's do this as an example project, hello world, as an example. And so good description of the project, when this is executed, it will print hello world. As an example, what instruction installs this project, maybe first installation is to make sure that the JS file is in the right folder. Use node to execute the file. And then you want instruction. You want to use this information is that when you use node to execute the file, let's say that a prompt will come up to ask for confirmation. Click yes for this example project that we have. And then we're going to say what the contribution guidelines. And I think for us we want to say that this project adheres to the and we want then to use the contributor covenant that we can use over here. So I am just going to copy and paste that over here. And then what are the testing instructions? When a change is made, run the program to test results. And then I choose for license. Let's say for this that we are using the Apache license. And I'm going to use my real GitHub username over here. And then my email address. Over here. And then you can see on here that the README is created. You see that I have an example project. And when I go to my example project, what I'll see is that I now have an example project, hello world. I have on my license over here. Basically have a table of contents where if I click on each one of these, I can go to the description, what that looks like, installation instructions, usage information, contribution guidelines. You see that very easily go into the contributor covenant over here. We also have some of the testing instructions, and then also we selected the license, and you can see here the Apache license 2.0 as well as the badge. And then finally, if I have any questions, if I click on here and I open it, I will bring up over here, and I have to make this smaller. I'm going to bring up over here my GitHub, basically so you can look into my GitHub account. And if any questions, here's my real address as well that I can click, and I can go into a mailing address on here as well. So very simple, very easy.